Morning everyone, welcome to the Sky R186 Residences Unit Selection Day right here at Sky World Gallery Setapak. Hello everyone, today I'm here at Sky World Setapak for emceeing Sky R186 Residences Unit Selection Day. Today is an important day for you because it's one more step closer to owning your dream house. And we, the Sky World team, are very happy to be part of your journey. Baik, panggilan terakhir untuk grup A, B dan grup C. Panggilan terakhir untuk grup A, B dan juga grup C. And also don't forget we also have Solution Plus counter. Solution Plus counter here, our friendly team will handle any general enquiries about My Deco renovation packages or related services for purchases. You can get details, pricing info and recommendations directly from our consultant. It's been such an exciting day, full of energy, smile and new homeowner. If you wish to own Sky R186 Residences but you are not registered yet, you can come to the Sky World Gallery. Anda boleh masuk ke Sky World Gallery dan berjumpa dengan salesperson yang ada di sana untuk mendapatkan maklumat dengan lebih lanjut. Ladies and gentlemen, what an incredible day it has been here at Sky R186 Residences Unit Selection Day. From the moment the doors opened this morning, the energy, the excitement and the smile has been absolutely amazing. And now as we come to the end of this special event, we want to take a moment to say thank you truly from the heart. A big congrats to everyone who secured their dream units, and thank you Sky World for having me.